What's happening, y'all? My name's Nick. I'm a licensed registered architect in the States, in the US. Currently, I'm actually in Denver, Colorado. And today's video, we're going to do a quick to fun tutorial on pyrevit's very special renumber tool. And you guys are going to love this. It's very quick and easy. I'll make this tutorial quick. But basically, looking on screen here, and again, I'm in Revit 2024 usually, and I like to use the Imperial system since I'm in the US, of course. So sorry, not sorry on that one. But getting into this, here's a typical sheet, a detail sheet, right? And on this detail sheet, we have viewports. These are viewports, for those of you who don't know that yet. They're all numbered quite strangely, right? And this happens all the time at an architect firm where these numbers 01, 09, 03, 04, they get completely off and all jacked up. So to fix that, very simple, download pyrevit. If you've never used it before, definitely get it. It's a quick and easy and free download. You can get it off of GitHub and just type in Google latest pyrevit download, newest download, and you'll find it right away. Very straightforward. So get that. Once you have that downloaded, I'm not going to walk you through the download steps. It's pretty straightforward again. You're going to have this pyrevit bar up top once you have that downloaded. And some firms will, make you go through the BIM manager to get a pyrevit download. If they argue with you, tell them, it never makes Revit crash. It's very reliable. Everyone uses it, which is, I think all of those are true. So anyway, once you get pyrevit, go ahead and go to pyrevit, and then the tool we will be using today is called the renumber tool. It's right here on my screen. And this renumber tool, you're going to click it and then click viewports, and then you just type whatever number you want to start with. So I want to start with 1, of course. So I'm going to type, I like to do double digits for my 1, so 01, and I'm going to hit OK. The nice thing about pyrevit is it'll show you all the steps in orange here above of what to do next, if you already didn't know. So pick viewports one by one, escape to end. Pretty easy. So I'm going to start with my first one, 01. The nice thing also is that it grays out once you've already clicked it. I like to go, architects are all a little different. I like to go left first instead of up first. Some like to go up. It depends on your project manager, maybe ask them, but I like to go left. So we're going to go, this one's our second click, 02, 03, 04, and then you go up 05. And then we get to this funky one here, which I purposely put in a legend to show you that it will not work. So that's our last click, and then once we're done, we're going to press escape and see what happens with all of them, except maybe the legend. Okay, so it looks like it changed them all the way I wanted. 01, bottom right, always. 02, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7, and the legend, it didn't number. The legends are tricky. They will not number for whatever reason. If you guys find a way to do that, please let me know specifically, because let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how to number legends. The reason is because legends go on multiple sheets often, and so most of the time you're going to click on the legend and go to no label for it, because you usually don't have a label for legends. Now if you find a way to do that, again, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. That's pretty much it. Very straightforward. Let's do it one more time just for funsies. Again, renumber viewports. Say I wanted to start at 03 for some reason. No idea why I would want to do that. And maybe I want to go vertically. So I'll go first click 03, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, the legend won't work. And then hit escape to end. There you go. Easy as that. For now, I'm gonna back out of that and go back to what we had, starting bottom right 01 and ending at 07 top left there. If you have any questions, I think that's all I have for you today. pyrevit is the best tool. Use it often. This you can do on any project. That renumber tool saves a ton of time. If you have to click on individual viewports to change the number each time, I'm sorry you have to do that, but you don't actually, because you can just get pyrevit. So go ahead and get that and use that renumber tool all the time, just like I do, and you'll save a ton of time. Thanks for watching.